Holy mother of God. God damn. Holy shit. I'm fine. I took out the corner of my van. Whatever the hell that was. I got that on video. Yes. There's a what? That's what hit my van. I don't know what it was. I ran. I just left the camera and ran. Oh, yeah, I know. I used to be in front of Oh, I saw it first. Yeah. I ran behind the van. I just left the camera. I got the whole thing. I was about ready to get in the ground. I don't know how far. Yeah, I didn't go nowhere. It's like, oh, I looked up and I seen that tank airborne. You know what? They're going to get this some bit farther down the road. Oh, I was streaming that live on the internet too. Oh. Shit, they're evacuating. They're calling everybody in. Oh, that's okay. They're calling everybody in to get the hell out. Where's that piece over? Think somebody's in there?
No, they called for ambulance.
They were pretty close by.
Yeah.
When that went off. Jesus.